So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Did you open File Explorer after Windows Update and notice a brand new folder called SecureBoot inside your Windows directory? Don't be surprised. Your first thought might be, is this malware or can I safely delete it? The short answer is no. If it's a legitimate folder created by Windows, you shouldn't delete it or run the scripts inside it. In this video, I'll explain what the folder is, why is it appearing, and what you should do actually to investigate it further. Let's get started. So firstly, let's make sure you're looking at the correct folder. The legitimate folder discussed by Microsoft is located at C. Windows SecureBoot. Use File Explorer to navigate to that exact location. If you instead find a folder named SecureBoot somewhere else like Downloads, Desktop, App Data or Documents, that's a different situation. A similarly named folder outside the Windows directory isn't automatically malicious, but it also isn't the Windows Update component discussed in this video. If you're unsure about a folder in another location, scan it with your antivirus before interacting with it. So, why is this folder suddenly there? Microsoft added an eligible Windows 11 devices as part of the 2026 SecureBoot certificate transition. The folder doesn't contain your personal files, it doesn't contain the SecureBoot certificate stored in your computer firmware. Instead, it includes example PowerShell scripts intended primarily for IT professionals and enterprise administrators. These sample scripts can help organizations check updates readiness, detect certificate status, plan stage deployments, and automate SecureBoot certificate management across many computers. For most home users, the folder is simply part of Windows's update process. If this is your personal computer, the safest approach is also the simplest. Leave the folder exactly as Windows created it. Continue installing Windows updates normally and don't run the PowerShell scripts unless you're following official enterprise deployment guidance. Do not manually modify SecureBoot certificate in your computer's UEFI firmware, and especially don't delete the folder simply because you don't recognize it. Windows added it for a reason. So as I said above, the file is not a malware unless is it located outside the Windows folder on your C drive. So if it's outside there, you gotta be suspicious of it. But if it's in Windows folder, it's okay. And that's it guys, as simple as that. If this guide helped you clear up the confusion, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials, and leave a comment if this folder recently appeared after an update on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.